Good morning, dear students. From today, we have to start new lesson Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. What is socialism and how it spread in Europe and what were the effects of Russian Revolution? These all things we will study in this lesson. Earlier, you have studied in French Revolution in the previous chapter that what were the powerful ideas of freedom, how it originated, who were the powerful leaders, who were the writers. You have also studied the ideas of equality which circulated in Europe after the French Revolution. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change. Dramatic change means very exciting and thrilling change. And it structured the society. Then everyone in Europe now wanted a complete transformation in society. They were against the cruel, the atrocities done by their kings. So all the people wanted change, and as the revolution started in France, in Europe, revolution started in all the parts of in all the countries. So let us study about the Russian Revolution. In this lesson, we will study about the age of social change. These all topics, let us see what are the contents of this lesson. The change brought by liberals, radicals and conservatives. Then what were the role of industries and how it brought the social change. Then how socialism in Europe spread by the famous writers Robert Owen, Louis Blanc, Karl Marx, Friedrich Engels. Then how socialism was supported by different parties. Then we will study about the Russian Revolution, what happened in Russia, how many revolutions were there. Then what was the economy, how was the society of Russia, how it affected the whole Russia, which were the main parties. Then revolution in 1905, Bloody Sunday. Then after that First World War took place and what was the role of the Russian Empire. Then we will study about the next revolution taken place in Petrograd in the month of February. What were the events and effects in February Revolution? Then what were the effects in October Revolution? Then the civil war took place in Russia and the socialist society was made. Who was Stalin? What was the collective farming? And what was the impact of Russian Revolution in the whole world? That we will see in global influence. Now let us start the lesson. This lesson throws light on the coming of socialism in Europe and the dramatic events that forced the ruling monarch, Tsar Nicholas II, who was the Tsar. As in India, we call the kings as Maharaja, Maharana, Nawab. In the same way, in Russia, the king was called as the Tsar. Who was the Tsar? Nicholas II. To give up power. So what happened? The revolution in Russia forced the ruling monarch. Monarchy, one man rule. The Nicholas was doing his rule and he was not taking suggestions or he was not discussing with his courtiers. He was taking all the decisions on his own. So he had to give up finally his power. One can see how the ideals of socialism brought about Russian Revolution. There were so many ideals of socialism. What is socialism? Social is an economic system. As democracy is a system of government, in the same way socialism is also a system of government in which everything belongs to society. As you know, if you go in public park, that place belongs to everyone. Everybody has the right to use and everybody must take care of that public property. So in socialism, if you are producing anything, you cannot say that this house is my own, this factory is my own factory, and whatever you are producing in that factory is your own. No, whatever you are producing, whatever you are doing, everything belongs to that society only. So this socialism, this came before democracy. This brought about Russian Revolution. Then what happened? Let us see the age of social change. How the social changes took place. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the society. In those days, the society was divided into three states: liberals, conservatives, radicals. You all have studied in French Revolution. In the same way, in Russia also, the same parties were there: conservatives, liberals, and radicals. Let us see who were there. Liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Let's see in the next part of the video.